My name is Robert A. McKinney, Jr. I'm a member of the general surgery team at Trinity Clinic. I specialize in advanced laparoscopic and bariatric surgery. I'm also chief of surgery for Mother Frances Hospital. We moved to the Dallas area when I was about 2½, and we stayed there until about high school age when I moved to Rockwall. My dad, he had a high school education. He got into officers training without any college background. Was a jet pilot. Didn't see any wartime, fortunately, but and then has managed several small businesses through his life. Unbelievable work ethic, and I think that's the main thing that influenced me, was seeing how hard and dedicated he was to whatever task he was taking on. I remember being completely enamored by my pediatrician. I just thought the things in his office were really cool. I had an opportunity really right out of high school and throughout college to work in surgery at Baylor Hospital in Dallas. And I started out washing floors and putting up instruments, but eventually was in the operating room as a retractor holder. I can still remember the day when I got called into a heart surgery. They needed someone to hold the heart so they could sew on the back side. And I can see it as clear as if it happened today. And I'm just profoundly affected by what those surgeons were doing for those patients. The diversity of what we get to do. General surgery is a true specialty, and in fact we have subspecialized ourselves within our group. So for instance, I no longer do breast surgery within our group, but all of my partners have a real passion for that. The endocrine surgery, for instance, like thyroid, parathyroid, some of those types of surgeries that need to be done are done by a couple of my partners. I've specialized in more abdominal, what we would call advanced laparoscopic procedures, and then bariatric surgery, which we've now been doing for over a decade. The patient always comes first, and coming to a surgeon and actually trusting them to the point where they're in essence putting their life in your hands, very humbling situation, and so I just try to constantly think about what would I need in that situation, and I try to really gain their trust, their confidence, and then let them know that I'm sincere, that I'm in this with them, and that our goals are going to be the same. That we want a positive outcome, and we want them to to lead them to a healthier, more fulfilling life.